Hello, I've found an article in today's paper that I want to share with you. This is it. Nemo potato is finding success. Hey, that's a potato I grow. I've grown it for a number of years now. I've grown it from store-bought potatoes that I bought at Tesco. I've videoed it, there's videos on the channel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut you to one, let you see me harvesting these Nemo potatoes. But before I do that, I'll turn this newspaper around, I'll try and zoom in on this article and we'll read it together. Nemo potato is finding success. High demand for a hybrid potato named after the cartoon fish in Finding Nemo, due to its unusual markings, has led a grower to plant more of them. Tesco said the Nemo variety of potato can cut cooking time by 25%, saving energy in the home, and that they proved popular when they went on sale in previous limited trials at the store. Hello, the potato we're harvesting today is a potato called Nemo. These are some Nemo we have left over from a harvest earlier this week. That's Nemo. You can see where he gets his name, can't you? So this is all we've got left of that original harvest. We'll go and harvest some more today. Are you with me? You bet you are. Come on. I think we've got everything we need to do this potato reveal. I'll just move these out the way and I'll bring on the potato that we're doing today. As you can probably see, I'm multitasking. I've got Meg in the garden with me. I'm multitasking. She wants me to play with that rope. We'll play with the rope. Not just yet. Right. So this is Nemo. If you've been following my videos, you've probably seen Nemo earlier in the year, because I've grew a few of these. First time for me. But it looked such a lovely potato. I had to give it a go, and I've got to say I haven't been disappointed by Nemo. Nope, I haven't. Not yet anyway. Let's hope this bucket isn't a disappointment. So just there you go, Meg. So just one potato growing in this bucket. Let's see what Nemo delivers. Oh. I'm not too sure whether Meg will prefer playing with that rope, or she'd like a few of these potatoes. We're going to find out, aren't we? Right, let's have a look. Oh, they're on my side. Oh, what do you think? Got a few there, haven't we? Yes, we have. Right. Let's shake it out. And we'll wash these guys, we'll clean them up, we'll take them indoors and we'll weigh them. Yes, we will. is that if there's a couple of small ones that we call mollies, we'll give those to Meg. In fact, we may even shout at Daisy, see if Daisy fancies one. Well, I was hoping to play with this rope with Meg after I'd finished this video, but it looks like I'm going to be playing with the rope through the video. I bet Meg will pay more attention when I show these. You want one of these, Meg? Hey lass, hey sweetheart, do you want one? Yeah, I'll keep these for later. Go on, you play with that rope and let me finish this video. Right, let's see if we can get these potatoes so that you can see them. Meg, we'll have a go with that later. Right. What have we got here? Let's see. Right, let's pop these in this crate. That's them. We'll take them indoors, we'll wash them and we'll weigh them. Come on. Okay, let's wash them and weigh them. This is Nemo. One potato grown in a 10-inch ex-good flour water bucket. That's all, just one went in. This is what's came out. Okay, put them away so you can get a better look at them. How's that looking? Can you see them all? Can you see where the name came from, Nemo? Yeah? Okay, let's get the scales into shot. There we go, last one. What have we got? Yep, that is 1.5 pounds of Nemo. 1 in, 1.5 pounds out. We're happy with that? Yeah, we're happy with that. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.